everyone, how are you doing today? Hello beautiful person, beautiful being, beautiful sweetheart, beautiful soul. My name is Owen Fox, coming at you from Ireland. I am happily awakened for 15 years. I love life. I deeply adore, admire, appreciate and feel connected to nature deeply. All of her elements, parts, aspects. I just love nature so much. I also love humans and people. I love humanity. I care for people deeply. I consider nature and animals and plants and humans and children and families and adults and insects and microorganisms, microbiological living, loving life forms. I consider them all my family and my friends, extensions of me who I am part of and they are part of me. In that aspect, that could be another definition of feeling care or love. Another synonym for love is connection, and I do feel powerful love and deep respect and admiration for all life, living beings, and even non sort of typically conscious beings of nature, which you could call rocks and inanimate sort of objects of nature, not